In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the ignition coils on this Audi S4. These are going to be located on the top sides of the engine. Let's get into it. We're going to take these two bolts out, use a T25 socket. Take those out. And we're going to separate this air duct right here. You can pull this out, just like that. And this one over here, you can raise this up. There is a little bracket. It's on there. Pop that off. I'm going to pop this hose off. Just squeeze the two tabs. Push that down out of the way. Just using a trim tool, just pop these wires out of the retainers. That's just going to be loose. That's fine. Disconnect the mass airflow sensor. It's a tab on the back. Pull on that tab. Disconnect that. Using a 7mm socket, loosen up this clamp. Grab the pipe. Separate that. And this hose right here, just pull that retainer off. Pull that lower hose off. We're going to take these screws out, use a Phillips head screwdriver. Loosen those up. And you just want to pull up. Pull that cover off. Now there's two screws holding the wiring harness down. You want to take those out. Use a T20 socket. Remove those screws. And remove that screw. Now we'll disconnect the connectors. Just push on the tabs, slide those down. If you need to, you can use a pocket screwdriver. Slide that harness out of the way. And you can grab the coils and just pull them up, just like that. Use a little compressed air. Just spray out any debris that might be down the spark plug sleeve. And take the coil. Thin coat of dielectric grease on the end of the coil. That's good. And push the coil in place. Make sure it's set all the way down. You can do the same with the other ones on this side, and the other side's even easier. Take the wiring harness, get this lined up. And click these all in place. Those are all clicked in. Now put the screws in for the wiring harness. Snug that down, and the other one. And take the air box, get this lined up. Get the hose lined up. All right, get that lined up. Clip it down in place. Put the screws in. Snug these down. And the hose down below. Slide that into that bracket. That hose right there. And this clamp right here. Get that lined up. And snug that down. Take the connector, line the connector up, lock it down, and the retainers for this wiring harness, push those in place. You got this hose on the side here. Lock that on. This air intake, get this lined up, slide the bracket through the purge valve. Lock it down, and this piece is going to go underneath. And you connect the two together. And take the screws, get these started, and snug them down. There you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.